Welcome back, EdelKampers. I'm Fred.
And I'm Mary. We explore, experience, and educate.
Because it's never too late to believe in yourself.
Ain't that the truth?
I came out here and the baby goat was talking to me. Hear it? Here he comes. I think I could take my jacket off.
Of course,
It's not so bad.
What?
Here?
Where? Where are we?
Oh, we're in Licon Dairy at a Harvest Toast somewhere in Texas.
I need a glass of milk.
Let's go and check it out.
Lactose intolerant.
I hear they don't have ice cream and milk, but you can have butter and cheese.
What kind of dairy doesn't have milk?
Licon Dairy.
There's the cow.
There's the cow. Hi.
Oh, there you are.
Abandoned. You want to show us the hot chilies again? Right here. So I guess it's their mascot.
It is now.
Definitely got the udder in the wrong spot. Look at the bike rack. It's kind of cute. I'll tell you what, you work on the RV, I'll go start up the truck. Hey, Fred. I'm home. Visitor parking alongside of the fence. Hi, are you hungry? You know, Peyton would love you. Oh, Peyton would love you. Yes, she would. No, not the ears. Not my ears. Anything but my ears. Food? I see food. Why aren't you giving me food? Okay, let's see. You want some? No, you're skittish. He put his ass next to me. Did you see that? He's showing me his ass. Okay, you don't get any food. No corn for you. Private booth.
Private booth outside?
Look at the beers. So, Licon Dairy Petting Zoo. They don't charge anything. They just ask you to buy a bag of feed for $1 and feed the animals. Can't get much. They will take donations. Aww, little baby. Peyton would be say, "Come, let me love you." She would. She'd say, "Come, let me love you." The cows weren't very hungry. I guess they're very well fed with the hay. They have a little playground. They just ask you to stay out of the hay barn, but they have lots of places for you to play. They have picnic tables, but beware of the pigeons. More playground area. The little chickens want some. You want more? Well, come here. You gotta come if you want some. Well, come get it. Well, come on. Oh, you're rude. You won't let your friends eat. Oh, no. Come here, I'll let you eat. I'll give you some too. Hey, there, bunnies for sale? No. Peyton would say yes if she was here, but I don't see any bunnies in there. Oh, there's a bird in here. There's bunnies for sale, but there are birds in here.
This is the bunny cage.
Baby chicks. Look at the pigeons.
Chickens.
They're pigeons, not chickens. Hi, guys. You're not really supposed to feed you. You're gonna bite me, right? Oh no, you're vicious. Here. He's very boisterous. Oh. There you go. Oh no, you peck.
Here, you want to bite this?
You peck. There you go. Hi. I know. I can't have that. Oh, here you go, little chicken rooster. Hi. Tell him you're not so short yourself.
When those heads come up, that's just weird.
Parrot.
Hello. You want a cracker?
Cracker? Yummy, yummy.
Uh-huh.
Are you kidding? I need a cracker.
I have a feeling the donkeys are going to get the corn. You want another one? You ate that whole.
It's a bird. He doesn't have teeth.
There you go. Uh-oh. One more time. We'll try it again.
Meanwhile, there's a bird down there.
There you go. You got it.
Getting all the dropping. Who's a smart bird, huh?
But I'm being hand-fed. Oh, we got it. There you go. You don't want any more? Uh-oh. He did get 2 of them. Llama, llama, red pajama.
Don't feed that llama.
Why not? He's been
here.
patient. Look, that. Look at those teeth.
teeth.
Did you check out his teeth?
Holy crap.
Poor baby, you need to see a dentist. Look at that poor guy. I hope he doesn't get his head stuck. I'm almost out. Yeah, Peyton would say, go get some more. Watch him dive. See? Oops. It's one way to get a duck. Come here. I only have a little food. You better come. Good little goat. No, let it pass. No. Share. Oh, no.
Really good.
You meanie. No. Oh, really? I'm not giving you any more. That was mean. This one looks like he's in a stupor going to sleep. Porkchop's tired.
Porkchop's fat. He can't move.
He won't even open it. Oh, wait. I think I saw one of his eyes blink. He did. Oh, let me sleep. Grab a jacket, baby. It's going to be cold. Do you want to eat outside?
No.
It's dark in here. My glasses. Oh, this is the Outlaw Saloon and Grill. Hi.
Oh, there you are. Hi.
I'm going to set the bar at the table, babe. Huh?
What?
You want to set the bar at the table?
Low table.
Low. I don't know what I ordered, but they look delicious.
Like crab claws.
Yummy. Fred says the buffaloes are guarding the donkeys. It's beautiful. You can see the red on the horizon and the lights blinking from the city.
Slices, and it goes great on quesadillas, sandwiches, or...
Oh, yummy. I'll take some. Yes, please.
Like a cheddar cheese, but it's queso
Okay.
chihuahua. And this one, it's not aged. It's freshly made. We do leave it in the press for at least 18 hours. And this one goes good also like in quesadillas, sandwiches, enchiladas. And it,
Yummy. Oh, wow. Oh, that's really good. So they pour the milk in that little vat? And then what happens?
the one you squeeze, that's the curd.
Okay.
Good morning, EdelKampers. The joy of camping in the wild. Harvest Toast. I believe it's a dairy farm. Little slide lubricant. The 3-in-1 RV Care slide out silicone lube. Good for plastics. Work that in there. All right.
Way to go, Fred.
Well, we'll know in a minute.
Let's see if it shuts. Ta-da! It's gonna stay shut. Yes. You did it. All right.
Well, this morning we woke up to lovely 32 degrees. Actually went down to 24. And so ran the heater all night long with the 4 LiFePO batteries, and the fan just killed it. When these batteries die, they drop below 10 volts, they shut off to protect themselves. So we have a little jump starter, and we jump started it. You just put the jump starter on there, let it sit. Might take a couple tries. And as you can probably hear in the background, we're running the generator right now. Just top them babies off. All right, it's time for the Licon Dairy Cellular Service Report. Right off the bat, you can see that T-Mobile, there in the center, has a download speed of 98 megabits per second. Yeah, looking good. Then comes Verizon, 49.2 megabits per second, and barely showing it all is AT&T at 0.48 megabits per second. So, lots of cellular here, but go play with the cows and definitely check out those goats. I'm telling you, they were the coolest. And we'll talk to you next time.